Hey guys, it's Up Kids Cookies! Merry Christmas!
I'm Sarah.
And I am Sammy,
and we are the hosts of Sup. Welcome to day 8 of Sup's 12 Days of Christmas Cookies.
Yes, where every day leading up to Christmas we make a different Christmas cookie from around the world.
Today we are making Kringlas from Norway.
Yep, that's Eggnog Kringlas.
And these are a variation on pretzels and they're sweet.
Yes. People that are more advanced and have done this every single Christmas, they can do it with one hand when they roll it. But I don't know if we can do that. So,
okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients.
All right, here we go.
4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 3/4 cups of butter.
It's a lot of butter.
Half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 cup of eggnog.
We got golden eggnog.
Sifted powdered sugar and more nutmeg to sprinkle on top. First, we're going to mix together flour and baking powder. Now we're going to mix it together.
Looks good.
Now we're going to add 1.5 cups of sugar and beat until fluffy.
I'm still mixing it. It's very labor intensive. So I have to mix all the ingredients.
Our dough is all mixed up and ready, so now we're going to cover it and chill for 4 to 24 hours.
We'll be back. See you in like a second. And we're back a millisecond later. Believe it or not, it was 24 hours later.
Yes, the dough has been chilling for 24 hours, so now we've just taken it out.
We haven't seen it yet, so... Ooh, it looks the same. Eggnog is very good with Kringlas because there is eggnog in Kringlas. Doing the last Kringla, and my special thing is to twist it 3 times, or 2 times. There you go. So that way I have 3 twists. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
We just got them out of the oven, so now we're going to dust them with powdered sugar and nutmeg.
Alright, let's do it. Goy you, everybody! That means Merry Christmas in Norwegian.
We're going to try the Kringla, Eggnog Kringla, and it looks like kind of a donut inside, but...
Alright, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. It tastes really good. That powdered sugar.
Really good.
That's probably the best cookie we've ever made. It's so soft. Like, it has a consistency of a donut. That's what you're saying, yeah. Boy, you! Merry Christmas in Norwegian! Bye! To you!